Try ko lang mga lods. Not sure if you know this, but when we first met, I get so nervous, I called Experience. In that very moment, I found the one that my life has found its missing piece. So as long as I live